Joni.
And this is Mom and Me and Disney. And tonight we are going to go to T-Rex for dinner. So let's go see if it is as bad as some people say it really is.
Located in the Marketplace section of Disney Springs, T-Rex Cafe debuted in October 2008 when Disney Springs was still known as Downtown Disney. The restaurant was created by Landry's Restaurants, the same company behind Rainforest Cafe, and was designed as an immersive prehistoric adventure where guests can dine among life-size animatronic dinosaurs, ice caves, giant aquariums, waterfalls, and meteor showers. Since opening, T-Rex has become one of the most recognizable family restaurants at Disney Springs thanks to its elaborate theming, Build-A-Dino workshop, fossil dig area, and the dramatic dinosaur encounters that occur throughout the dining room. More than just a restaurant, T-Rex was designed to feel like a journey through different eras of prehistoric Earth, making it a favorite destination for dinosaur-loving kids and Disney adults looking for a unique dining experience. A fun piece of Disney history is that the Disney Springs location was only the second T-Rex restaurant ever built, following the original Kansas City location. More than 15 years after debuting, T-Rex remains one of the most popular themed dining experiences at Walt Disney World.
All right, we just got done eating and the restaurant is very cute inside.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of different areas set up. So they have like one area that is like deep water, there's aquariums, one that is in ice cave, so it like is different colors and it looks kind of cool.
Yes.
And then
Not kind of, it is.
it is cool. And then there was a section where you really are in like a prehistoric cave with different dinosaurs, which is where we actually sat for dinner. So a super cute place to eat.
Now,
all right, what do you think of the food?
all right, I actually really like the food. So we got a sampler platter kind of meal, and then we split it between the two of us instead of getting separate entrees. And I thought it was a really good value. I thought there was a lot of food, and it was very tasty, very warm. Like you could tell it was fresh, and I honestly really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so what was your favorite item on the platter? Which was actually an appetizer platter that would have fed an entire table for an appetizer.
I really like the meatballs, and I really like the mozzarella sticks because I love mozzarella.
All right, well my favorite thing was the flatbread actually, and then second was probably the chicken wings. They come with like a Nashville hot sauce, but we just got them naked, so.
Oh yes, the chicken was very good.
The chicken was really good.
It was really juicy, it was crispy, and the breading was very well seasoned on it.
Yeah, so we really were impressed by that.
Yes.
And then I also got one of their specialty drinks, which was non-alcoholic, but it was $10.99, and it came with a souvenir cup, which I actually thought was pretty cool given the price.
I really liked with the cup that it wasn't just a glow cube thrown in a cup, and then it was like, oh, keep the glow cube. It was actually a cup. There was a light in the cup that you get to keep, and it had like this eye that when you lift it up off the table, it has the dinosaur eye on it, which is really cool.
Yeah, it was definitely a neat souvenir, different than what you find at other Disney restaurants.
Absolutely.
For dessert, we tried the apple crisp dessert, which we thought was a standout. I don't even love apple desserts typically, and I actually thought this was very good. It was warm and gooey without being over the top, and the whipped cream was cold and almost like an ice cream consistency, which gave it that perfect warm-cold balance.
I really think the price is worth it. I understand why some people say not to go, especially if you have one near you, because it is the same company that has Rainforest Cafe and T-Rex. So there's animatronics, that kind of stuff in it. But if you've never been to one, I think this is a great option.
Yeah, and if you're anything like me and my family, like we didn't get to do fun things like this unless we were on vacation.
Yes.
So it's definitely a neat experience. Now, I will say, I do think that some kids, especially if they're, not great with loud noises or a lot of things to see, could get overstimulated in a place like this. But
it is very dark and then bright and then colorful and then movement, and I will say it is dinosaurs, so they are very big, and if that is something that could scare your child, maybe
Yeah.
not the best option.
But we actually didn't see any kids who were
No.
really like upset or crying. There's like a little asteroid show that goes off every 15 to 20 minutes, which was kind of cool. It's really just looks like lightning strikes,
Yeah.
but overall pretty good.
All the kids I saw
Yeah.
were mesmerized. They were like, what's happening?
Yeah, and they encourage you to get up and walk around so you can go take pictures with the different dinosaurs. There's lots of stuff to distract your kids with if like they're tired and hungry and you're waiting for your food. So it was definitely cool for that. But overall, I would definitely recommend this as a place for families and those who just want some basic good food.
Absolutely. I give this like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say
For
for
most people.
families, I would say probably a 7 out of 10 for me. Would I recommend this for like a couple trying to have a romantic
No.
dinner? Absolutely not. It's too busy and crazy. But there's also probably 50 other Disney restaurants I wouldn't recommend for that. So if you have little kids, a family, and it's something that you've never done, I do recommend you at least try it out.
Yes.
The merchandise shop at T-Rex Cafe is much more than a typical restaurant gift shop. As guests enter or exit the restaurant, they can browse a wide selection of dinosaur-themed merchandise, including plush toys, apparel, other kinds of toys, fossils, educational kits, souvenirs, and prehistoric-themed collections. The shop continues the immersive storytelling found throughout the restaurant, making guests feel as though they are exploring a prehistoric expedition outpost. Whether you are looking for a small souvenir or a unique dinosaur gift, the retail area offers plenty of options for dinosaur fans of all ages. One of the most popular attractions inside the T-Rex Cafe is the Build-A-Dino by Build-A-Bear workshop experience. Similar to a traditional Build-A-Bear, guests can create their own personalized dinosaur plush from a variety of species, including favorites like a Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops, Velociraptor, and other prehistoric creatures.
I'm stuck. Which dino do I get? I want a dino.
I think I like the rainbow dino, but I also really like the green rainbow. Which one's softer?
I think this one will be easier to
Okay.
After selecting your dinosaur, guests help stuff their new friend to the perfect firmness and then can participate in a signature heart ceremony, adding a special touch before the dinosaur is sealed and brought to life. The experience doesn't stop there though. Guests can customize their dino with clothing, accessories, sounds, and even themed outfits ranging from explorer gear to Disney-inspired apparel. Once completed, each dinosaur receives a birth certificate, making the experience feel even more personal. For many families, Build-A-Dino becomes one of the highlights of their visits to Disney Springs, giving children a hands-on activity and a memorable keepsake that they can take home and remember their Disney trip long after the vacation ends. What makes Build-A-Dino especially unique is how well it fits into the overall theme of the T-Rex Cafe. Surrounded by animatronic dinosaurs, the meteor showers, and the lush prehistoric landscapes and fossil discoveries, creating a custom dinosaur feels like an extension of the adventure rather than a separate shopping experience. It's a fun add-on for families dining at the restaurant and a great way for kids to bring home a prehistoric companion from their journey through this dinosaur-filled world. Alright Disney friends, that wraps up our review and thoughts on the T-Rex restaurant and Build-A-Dino experience. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we will see you in the parks.